Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can check RIA money transfer history. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. Start by opening your phone's browser and searching for RIA Request Money Transfer History. Click on the first official link that appears in the search results. Once the page loads, you'll see two options, one for requesting a bill payment report and another for transfer history. Go ahead and select the transfer history option. This will lead you to a new page with a prompt. Click on the bolded text that says, "Click here to complete the form." You'll be asked to enter your full name exactly as it appears on your RIA account, along with your date of birth, email address, phone number, country, full residential address, and the ID document number associated with your identity. You'll also need to upload a clear copy of your valid, government-issued photo ID. If your ID is double-sided, make sure to include both the front and back images. Once you've completed all the required fields and attached your ID, click Submit. After that, you'll receive your transfer history either via email or directly on your phone, depending on the contact information you provided. And that's it, you are done.